Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about the national anthem, the Star-Spangled Banner. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Was the Star-Spangled Banner written during the War of 1812? Yes, it was written in 1814 during a battle at Fort McHenry. Did Francis Scott Key write the anthem while fighting in the war? No, he wrote it while watching the battle from a British ship. Was the anthem originally written as a poem? Yes, it was a poem that was later set to music. Does the anthem describe a peaceful morning? No, it describes a battle with bombs and rockets. Was the Star-Spangled Banner officially made the national anthem in 1931? Yes, it became the official U.S. national anthem in 1931. Does the phrase "gave proof through the night" refer to seeing the flag still standing? Yes, it means the flag was still visible after the battle. Is the anthem's melody based on an original American tune? No, it was adapted from a British song. Do Americans sing all the verses of the anthem at public events? No, usually only the first verse is sung. Was the Battle of Fort McHenry a British victory? No, the Americans successfully defended the fort. Is the Star-Spangled Banner only played at sports events? No, it is played at many official ceremonies and national celebrations. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.